To Mama. Bring her a flower. Come on. Let's go. Boof. Boof. Van, is Mama at the car?
No.
Where is she?
That.
She's that way?
No.
Well, let's go get her. Come on.
That. That. That.
Yeah.
Mama.
Oh, gonna catch Mama? Oh, there she is. Gonna catch her? Let's go catch her. Come on. Come on, there she is. You can catch her. Yeah, we can get her. Still sleep good on the way home. Yeah. There she is. Oh boy, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Almost at the finish.
Oh, I love you.
He was having so much fun boofing the flowers.
Oh, what's over there? A motorcycle. Let's go see. Oh, did you get a flower? For Mama? Is that for Mama? Here, I'll give it back to you. Thank you.
No, 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 no.
Gonna read the sign?
No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no.
Good job.
Is that what it says? That's a good story,
Good job
Van.
reading that sign.
Does it say dogs?
No.
Dogs.
Oh, no.
Beach ball.
Is that a beach ball?
Oh,
Does it say birds?
no.
Birds?
Oh, no.
Is that what the garbage truck does?
That.
Van, what does the garbage truck do?
Goat.
Yeah?
No, no.
That's what it does?
No, no.
Yeah!
No, no.
Van, what does a cow say?
No.
Careful.
No, 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 no. No, no, no.
Van, can you sing your ABCs? Hat? Who left their hat? Van, can you sing your ABCs?